Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 2. Neither the hosts of heaven nor great rishis know my origin, for in every way I am the source of all the devas and the rishis.
Chapter 10, Shloka 2. न मे विदुःसुरगणाः प्रभवं न महर्षयः अहम् आदिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः.
Chapter 10, Shloka 2. Why the Lord decided to continue his discourses is now explained. In this shloka, rishis are not to be considered as men of wisdom explained in our mythology, but are objectified representations of the subjective facts in the science of Vedanta. When the infinite as God principle comes to seemingly identify with the total intellect or the cosmic intellect and develops thereby the egocentric personality of its own, it projects out for its own joy transactions a world of sense objects constituted of the five great elements, the five sense objects, the cosmic intellect, and the egocentric personality together constitute the seven rishis personified in the Puranas under different names to represent the intellectual and mental life of man, the efficient and the material causes of all creations. Devas don't mean the host of heavens. They are the sense organs which illumine for us the world of objects for our innumerable experiences. In this way, the self, the pure consciousness, or the conscious principle is the substratum for both the physical and the mind intellect life in each one of us, represented as the great rishis and devas respectively. Even though they are supported in truth, they cannot know his origin. Like the telescope, the instrument can never illumine the observer, but can only bring its world of objects within the perception of the observer. The consciousness, being the very subjective truth in us, can never be objectified, an object of perception for the sense organs, or an object of feeling for the mind, or the object of knowing for the intellect. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.